Today I'll be reviewing this Miracle Sound Lavalier microphone. This is a really cool tool. As you can see, it's very compact. It has a very long cord. It's the longest cord on the market, I'm told. It's very compact. The sound quality is great. Basically, you can use this to connect to your phone or tablet or other mobile device to create great videos or sound recordings. And it's really cool because it also captures the sound around you perfectly, as well as your own speaking voice. So it's great for bloggers or vloggers like me. A nice thing about this is it also comes with a handy carrying case. As you can see, this little pouch is well made. It makes it possible to safely store and transport your microphone. So overall, I think that this is a great product. It's priced very affordably, and the sound quality really is phenomenal. So I highly, highly recommend this product.